This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo and Redbus.
Bol baby bol.
On Go MMT Radio.
Let's go.
This is your favorite radio station. It's called Go MMT Radio. Go Trippers, आप हमेशा ये शोज सुनते हैं और हर दिन जो है अलग अलग थीम्स या अलग अलग बातें हम करते हैं नए नए गेस्ट के साथ, जो कि आप ही में से एक होता है, एक गो ट्रिपर ही होता है. Either it is बधाई हो, someone who's recently joined the organization, or people who've been in the organization for really long, when we do themes like Wonder Woman और कई सारे और themes जो हम करते हैं. आज का जो है फिर एक नया थीम है जिसका नाम है बोल बेबी बोल. हम इससे बुलवाने वाले हैं, क्या बुलवाने वाले हैं? प्यार की कुछ बातें, ट्रैवल की खूब सारी कहानियां, and of course some contests or games that I will be doing on the show, like the rapid fire round and the never have I ever round. Hardik Gupta is on the show with me today. फिरोजाबाद से हैं ये, वैसे लोकेशन है कानपुर and the department is hotel supply. Hardik, it is so nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. It's nice to be on the show.
अच्छा, आप ये शो सुनते आए हैं? हाँ.
Yes, मैंने personally during my training period I was listening to the show. And past 2-3 months since I've been on field, I've been following it on social media.
क्या बात है. अच्छा, फील्ड पर तो आप हैं क्योंकि आप होटल सप्लाई में हैं, यानी कि होटल से जाके मिलते हैं और उनके साथ आपको निगोशिएट करना है और अच्छे डील्स भी उन्हें आपको देने हैं. तो ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है आपका?
Experience have been very good and very educating, to be very honest, because we are learning new things every day. How the hotel actually works and how our system works and how are we helping them grow. So
Nice.
It's a humbling experience also.
Oh, that is very nice of you to say, actually, Hardik.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hi, my name is Neha. I'm from supply team. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
I'm Manika. I'm from Demand Management Department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Hey, this is Shashwat, Senior Manager from Marketing. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Let's go.
Bol baby bol.
On Go MMT Radio.
Let's go.
On the show, Bol Baby Bol on Go MMT Radio. Go Trippers, I know you love all these shows. आज मेरे साथ जो बात करने वाले हैं या बातें हो रही हैं हमारी, वो बोल बेबी बोल पर है. प्यार पर बातें होंगी, ट्रैवल पर बातें होंगी. हार्दिक गुप्ता has joined me today. He's my guest from the hotel supply department based out of कानपुर. तो क्या आप हमेशा से कानपुर में रहे हैं, हार्दिक?
No, ma'am. Actually, I was born and brought up in Firozabad, also known as City of Bangles.
You have to tell me about that actually. ये क्यों ये ऐसा नाम पड़ा है?
Firozabad is a place where manufacturing of bangles, glass bangles is done, and it is exported not just in India but all over the world. It is the only place where bangles are being manufactured. And apart from bangles, it is also a hub of glass manufacturing. For example, the Bacardi bottles, the Old Monk bottles that we have, they are also being manufactured in Firozabad only.
क्या बात है. मतलब मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के मामले में फिरोजाबाद काफी आगे है. तो कानपुर कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
मैम, कानपुर being a part of UP, it has a familiar feeling with me.
Oh nice. चलिए क्विकली एक रैपिड फायर राउंड करते हैं. Are you ready for this, हार्दिक?
Yes, ma'am.
The rapid fire round.
What motivates you?
Ma'am, for what actually motivates me is my own curiosity, because I'm very keen to learn about everything. This curiosity is actually what motivates me.
Very
to know
good.
things, how are they being done?
क्या बात है. What is your favorite book?
The Shiva trilogy by Amish.
क्या बात है. अमीश त्रिपाठी की बुक बहुत अच्छी है, मैंने भी पढ़ी है and I love it too. अच्छा, आपकी हॉबीज क्या क्या है? 2 हॉबीज बताइए.
Ma'am, one would be astronomical photography, and second would be astronomical photography.
Oh.
Clicking pictures of stars, moons, and planets and constellations.
Oh, I have to ask you more about this question. What's your dream destination?
My dream destination is Spiti right now for India. It has a great view of all the Milky Way galaxy and all the constellation.
Oh, that's wonderful. What's a hidden talent you have that nobody knows?
Well, actually, this was my hidden talent, and apart from this, I'm very good at riding bikes. I have solo traveled on my 10-year-old bike for more than 10,000 kilometers.
Wow, that is some achievement. What was the last movie that made you cry?
our Salman Khan movie, which actually made me cry. It was so bad that it actually hurt me.
Which movie are you talking about?
I don't recall the name, but I left in the middle of the movie.
Oh. What's your greatest achievement so far?
My greatest achievement is giving the salary to my parents. My first salary.
And currently, what's your top priority?
Ma'am, my top priority is to grow within the organization because I'm learning so much every day. I just want to keep learning and keep growing.
Well done.
मेरी बॉडी में सेंसेशंस होते हैं, पिल्स उनको कंट्रोल करते हैं.
कैसे सेंसेशंस?
सेंसेशन जैसे सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, गुदगुदाहट, दगमगाहट, फरफराहट, थरथराहट, कपकपाहट, हड़बड़ाहट, दबदबाहट, चटपटाहट, फरफराहट, सुगबुगाहट, कुलबुलाहट, गुदगुदाई, चिलमिलाई, चुल.
आज ही अपने नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें और हाँ, अपना क्लेम अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप पर रियम्बर्स जरूर करें. बॉडी सेंसेशन और पिल से मुक्ति पाएं.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Heads and go.
बोल दीदी बोल.
On Go MMT Radio.
Heads and go.
On the show, Bol Baby Bol with Hardik Gupta from Hotel Supply Department based out of Kanpur. Hardik, astrophotography, photography of the sky and the stars, ये बहुत पसंद है. ये जो लगाव है, ये कब शुरू हुआ?
Actually, it started when I was around 14 or 15. I saw a meteor shower at that time, and it actually got me curious that what it is, and that's when I went into this field and started exploring.
Wow! तो सबसे पहला कैमरा कौन सा यूज किया था आपने?
Actually, I've been using phone since day one, and I'm still use my phone to capture the photographs.
Tell me something about what you know about our Milky Way and our galaxy.
Actually, the Milky Way galaxy is always visible from our planet Earth. It is not visible to our naked eye due to just one reason, that is light pollution. So that is why actually when we go into the deserts, like Jaisalmer deserts or Spiti Valley, where the light pollution is actually very low, you can see the Milky Way with your naked eyes.
And how tiny do you think planet Earth is and we are in our Milky Way?
We can say it's not more than a speck of dust.
Imagine that, and how much importance we give ourselves and our lives and everything we do, right?
Yes, when we get into that perspective, every problem looks so small.
Absolutely. अब यही चीज, now that you love to explore the Milky Way, the galaxies, the stars, the sky, and many more galaxies, there's so many theories coming up. Tell me, travel also might be exciting for you, right? I mean, you would love to explore places.
Yes, it does excite me a lot.
Wow, so recent कोई जगह पर आप गए थे जहाँ पर आपकी experience बहुत अच्छी रही थी?
Actually, I have two major cities, Kanpur and Prayagraj. So I recently went to Prayagraj and I was exploring, and it was actually very underwhelming for me. I was like, this place has so much to offer, and but yet it is so unexplored.
Be curious to know how things work. Be creative by constantly looking for newer, better ways of achieving results. Be genuine in your care, be it for your colleagues, customers, or business. Hi, I'm Deep, and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
बोल दीदी बोल.
On Go MMT Radio.
Heads and go.
This is Go MMT Radio, and the name of the show is Bol Baby Bol. I'm your host Annie. This is the last segment where I will be playing a little game with Hardik Gupta, who's my guest today from the Hotel Supply Department. It's called Never Have I Ever. But before I get to that game, Hardik, you have to tell me something special about Firozabad that people must know and will love to go and explore.
As I've mentioned, that it is city of bangles. So if you are a little bit curious about how bangles are being made, how are they being manufactured, you can visit the factories and they will show you the whole process. And it consists of a furnace with around 1000 degrees Celsius. And apart from that, coming to local food, we have one specialty in Firozabad known as Gajak.
Yes,
it is
तो मेरा भी favorite है यार.
You will find around 10 to 12 varieties of Gajak at every shop, and it is very famous for it.
और कानपुर में भी आपको गजक मिल जाता है?
कानपुर में मिल जाता है, बट ऑथेंटिक टेस्ट जो फिरोजाबाद का है ना, वो थोड़ा सा मिसिंग रहता है.
फ्लेवर्स तो ट्राई करने ही चाहिए. ये फिरोजाबाद से बाकी सारे मतलब देश में पहुंचता क्यों नहीं है गजक? या why is it not available online so I can call for it from wherever I am?
The locals are trying to get it online, so maybe it will be available in next few months.
Well, time for Never Have I Ever. Are you ready for that?
Yes, Annie, I'm ready.
The rapid fire round.
Never have I ever seen a ghost.
Never.
Okay. Never have I ever pretended to be on the phone.
I have a lot of times.
I know we all do, right? इतना अच्छा excuse है अगर हमको कहीं से भी बचकर निकलना है, right?
Exactly, to avoid any awkward conversation, we just pretend that we have a call incoming.
Never have I ever sleepwalked.
Okay, this I have never.
Oh, okay. Never have I ever cheated on a test.
I had.
Never have I ever eaten someone else's lunch.
Many times, like almost every day of my school.
Hi. Never have I ever used a fake ID.
Again, coming back to my teenage times, I have done this also.
Never have I ever had a crush on a teacher.
I would like to deny, but I cannot. I have.
That is sweet. Never have I ever gotten into a physical fight.
I have.
Oh, you have. क्या तोड़ दिया था सामने वाले का?
नाक.
नाक ही तोड़ दिया. हाय. और आप बच के निकल गए?
Yeah. Yes, I'm safe and sound.
Never have I ever played a musical instrument.
I have tried.
Which one?
Guitar only. For a month or two.
Very good. Never have I ever gone on a blind date.
I have.
Oh, how was the experience?
It was quite good, better than what I expected.
क्या बात है? Well, with that, we've ended the Never Have I Ever. एक आखिरी सवाल है. कोई एक ऐसी सीख या कोई बात या वैल्यू जो आप बड़े करीब रखते हो अपने दिल के, जो आपने मेंटोर्स ने या आपके पेरेंट्स ने आपको सिखाया था?
One thing that I've learned that always give your best. Always try your 100% in whatever you're doing. Never give your 99% also. Always try to be the maximum at most you can be, wherever you are. That's what I always carry with me.
That is so good and that is brilliant. Thank you so much for your time. बड़ा मजा आया आपसे बात करके. I hope आपको भी मजा आया.
Thank you so much, Annie. It was actually quite fun and exciting.
Stay tuned to your favorite radio station. It's Go MMT Radio. With this, of course, I've come to the end of the show. Hardik, all the very best for your future here at MMT.
Thank you so much, Annie. Thank you so much.
With that, it's a wrap. I will catch you next on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, keep smiling and stay cheerful.
Conversations that matter. Inner balance.
Hi, I'm your host Annie, and today I want to talk to you about something extremely important. It is about inner peace. हमारी जिंदगी में जैसे मिशन हम सबका ही है इनर पीस पाने का. हम सब जानते हैं कि जिंदगी में हम कितने बिजी हैं. परिवार और काम और दोस्तों के बीच बैलेंस बनाना आसान बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. लेकिन क्या आपको याद है आखिरी बार आपने खुद के लिए कब टाइम निकाला था? MMT has a solution for you. Inner Balance Initiative. You now have the chance to meet with a professional clinical psychologist in a private one-on-one session. यह एक बेहतरीन मौका है खुद से जुड़ने का, अपने वेलबीइंग को इम्पोर्टेंस देने का और स्ट्रेस, इमोशंस, इन सबको किस तरह से संभाले इसके बारे में एक्सपर्ट गाइडेंस पाने का. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Book your appointment by writing an email to Pratibha Mishra at pratibha.mishra@medanta.org. That is PRATIBHA.Mishra MISHRA at Medanta M for Mumbai EDANTA.org. You can also visit the We Care Room in Tower C, Gurgaon office between 3 to 5 p.m. every Wednesdays and Thursdays to start your journey for better well-being. आपकी इनर डायलॉग जो है ना, जो आप अपने आप से बात कर सकते हैं, अपने सबकॉन्शियस को समझाते हैं, आपकी दुनिया को शेप करती है. तो चलिए इसे पॉजिटिव बनाते हैं. Stay tuned for more updates and take care of yourselves. This is your host Annie signing off. Remember, prioritize your inner peace.
Conversations that matter. Inner balance.
Hi Trippers, this is Sunil Grover and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Chakka to bate.
Go MMT Radio. Heads and go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Heads and go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo and Redbus.